morning, guys. I'm here again, the teacher Natalia. Today we're going to practice how to express likes and dislikes about the sports. Now then, read, listen, and practice. Expression likes about sports. Please practice with after me the following sentences. I love playing baseball. I enjoy playing volleyball. I like playing basketball. I love going horse riding. I enjoy going swimming. I like going skateboarding. I love doing judo. I enjoy doing track. I like doing archery. She loves playing baseball. She enjoys playing volleyball. She likes playing basketball. She loves going horse riding. She enjoys going horse riding. She likes going skateboarding. She loves doing judo. She enjoys doing horse riding. She likes doing archery. As you can see, in order to express a preference about a sport, we can use love, enjoy, or like. The difference is how much I like something. Love means that you like it a lot. Enjoy is something that is fun for you, that you enjoy it. And like is something that is really good for you. Now, expressing dislikes about sports. I can say, I hate playing baseball. I don't enjoy playing volleyball. I don't like playing basketball. I hate going horse riding. I don't enjoy going swimming. I don't like going skateboarding. I hate doing judo. I don't enjoy doing track. I don't like doing archery. She hates playing baseball. She doesn't enjoy playing volleyball. She doesn't like playing basketball. She hates going horse riding. She doesn't enjoy going horse riding. She doesn't like going skateboarding. She hates doing judo. She doesn't enjoy doing horse riding. She doesn't like doing archery. As you can see, in the same way, I'm telling something that I don't like, that I hate, but I'm using an affirmative sentence, but it's a negative meaning. And it means the same. I can say, I hate doing judo, but also I can say, I don't enjoy doing judo. In different ways to say something, but they have the same meaning. Now, you are going to read the chart and practice. Remember, we use like, love, and enjoy to express likes. We use hate, don't like, or doesn't like, don't enjoy, or doesn't enjoy to express dislikes. Okay. In the affirmative form, I can say, I like playing baseball, they like playing baseball, you like playing baseball. But if I'm going to talk about her, she likes playing baseball, he likes playing baseball. In the negative form, I can say, I don't like playing baseball, you don't like playing baseball. But also, remember that you can say, I hate playing baseball, or I don't enjoy playing baseball. When we're talking about her, she doesn't like playing baseball, she doesn't enjoy playing baseball. Now we're going to do same questions. I can say, do you like playing baseball? And you can answer, no, I don't, or yes, I do. An information question. Practice this question because we're going to use it in class. Which sports do you like playing? In my case, I like playing football. Now, you are going to read this sentence and practice. We are going to complete it. Expressing likes and expressing dislikes. Remember that when you're expressing a like, you can use love, like, or enjoy. And when you're expressing a dislike, you can use hate, don't like, or don't enjoy. Remember that it can be don't like or doesn't like, don't enjoy or doesn't enjoy, hate or hates. It's an easy activity and please practice. If you don't understand something, please back into the video and watch the video again. Remember, you can watch the video as many times as you need until you understand. Okay? I see you into the next class. Have fun!